Hey guys, welcome back to Telugu One Fashion. This is me Yuktha with another video. So today's video I will be talking about how to get rid of dark lips. So this is something common. Most of the boys also go through it. Whoever has black lips, they do not know how to reduce it or something like that, and few people don't know what's the cause as well. So I am here to give a solution, maybe a tip, and I will also be talking about the causes so that you guys can avoid all of those. So let's get started. So the first thing that I will be telling you is the causes of black lips or tan lips. So mainly exposing yourself to the sun. So obviously your body also get tanned at the same time, but even your lips, it might be a reason also. So whenever you are going out, make sure that you wear lip balm which has sun protecting agent in the lip balm, so that it helps your lips just not get more tanned or black in that case. So if there is a melanin content in your body, then your pigmentation of lips is gonna get dark. So the second thing is, few people get it because of pregnancy also. That is something natural. Not everyone goes through it, meaning at their pregnancy a few people might get their lips dark or maybe not. So this is only because of the hormonal changes that happens in a woman, because of course when you're giving birth there's so much of changes in your body and in every part of the body. So lips also might get dark, so that's very natural, so nothing to worry about it. And the third one is, of course, every single people knows, whether it's boy or girl, smoking. So smoking also causes dark lips. That's one of the main reasons. It's very obvious. So too much of tobacco content, of course there'll be some other effect as it affects your lungs as well as lips. Whoever smokes are gonna get really bad black lips. So that is the main cause. And to just avoid it, you have to drink more of water and avoid tobacco, that is smoke and whatever smoke items. So just avoid that. So the next one is due to certain medications, because whenever you take new sort of treatment or something to your body or to your face, there are side effects. So this also might affect your lips. So make sure that you're taking it proper. Make sure that you're taking proper medication so that you don't get any side effects. If at all you're getting it on your lips, then I think you just have to avoid or find another way to get rid of it. So this is one thing. So the last one is due to medical issues. Just now I said about taking tablets and all of that, that might give you side effects, but this is medical issues in the sense having problem in your internal body. For example, in your immune system. So it might cause dark pigmentations all over your body also, so maybe lips also. So this is one thing. So now I will be telling you and giving you few tips to get rid of it by using home remedies. Okay, so the first tip that I'm going to give you is honey. So use honey and sugar. So mix it up together and scrub it on your lips in circular motion. You should not keep it for a long time because it's going to cause you irritation. So anything for a long time is going to cause you irritation. So just maybe for a minute or two is more than enough. Just massage it gently in a circular motion and rinse it with warm water. So this helps you take the dead skin. So as soon as the dead skin comes off, even the dark pigmented skin or whatever, that also comes out of the lip. So that might help you. And the second tip that I'm going to give you is almond oil. So take a bit of almond oil and again massage it gently in a circular motion. So this helps your lips keep more moist, which is very main. Keeping your lips more hydrated and moist is good, and it makes your lips soft. So yeah, just do it gently, and you can do it twice a day if you want to, or maybe once is also fine. So this is the second tip. So the third tip that I'm gonna give you is use lemon. So as you all know, this is very obvious. Most of them know that lemon is very useful to take the darker pigmentations. Most of them use it here also. If you have dark areas in the elbows or knees, they just take it and add few sugar or some other product. I mean, not product, but some other liquid or honey or something, and then just scrub it off so that it's gonna help and take the pigmentation off. Same thing for lips as well. You can use a slice, just cut a slice of lemon and just put it on your lips, or maybe you can just put the lemon drops and just gently scrub it. It might make your lips look more brighter because it's gonna take off your dead skin, like I said, and mainly it has citric acid. Before, you should make sure that you don't have any cuts or you don't have any dry areas on your lips, because as I told, it has citric acid, so it's quite acidic, so it's gonna burn while you use. So you need to make sure that you don't have any cuts and all of that before using. So this is one tip. And the last tip that I'm gonna give you is simple one. If I really have to specific about, drink a lot of juice, healthy juice, maybe any fruit juice. Maybe butterfruit is actually good for your lips as well as your whole body, in fact body, skin and all of that. Watermelon and muskmelon, coconut water, that thing, and drink water, drink much of water. That's going to help you. And yeah, at the same time, make sure that you don't keep your lips dry. Use a perfect lip balm. Yeah, when I am talking about lip balm, if you guys are know few things how to make the lip balm at home, you can do that as well, so that it's going to be more natural. So that is one more tip. So if you all follow all of this, whatever I say, maybe it's just gonna reduce your darker lips and it's gonna work, guys. So yes, so this was it for today. Hope you all liked, and I think this is quite helpful for you as well. So don't forget to subscribe to Telugu and Fashion. Thank you so much.